today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Target beauty box. I am so excited for this. Okay, so first off, I have gotten this box a few times before. I will link my Target beauty box unboxing playlist down below. Second, I heard that they now have these in stores. So originally you ordered this from the website and they would sell out super quick because they're only $7. I saw a couple of videos of some girls that said that they got theirs in stores, and I confirmed it with Target. They do sell them in stores now. Very, very, very hard to find them because they sell out super quick. They get shipments in every few months, so really the only way to see if your Target has it is to go there or to call them first. But yeah, like I said, they sell out super quick and it's like a big mystery when they're getting them. So this box right here, I actually ordered online because I got an email saying that the June box was out. I don't know if they're doing it monthly now or what. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research and I'll put more info in the description box. Let's just get into this box. Like I said, it is $7. I ordered this from the Target website. I believe this is still available. I'm gonna try to put this video up kind of quickly to make sure that it's still available. I'll have a link down below. $7 and free shipping too. I just thought I'd mention that. It comes with a little card. It says, "Hello, fresh face." On the back is a list of all the products, and there's a $3 off coupon. It's a $3 off beauty purchase of $15 or more, so that is cool. First thing I'm pulling out, I'm super excited about this. I actually saw this in Target the other day and I was going to buy it. I almost did, but then I saw that it was in this box and I'm like, no, I'll just get the box because you get this and other products. It's totally worth it. So it's a new mascara from Neutrogena. It's the Hydro Boost Plumping Mascara, and it's waterproof. That's the only thing that sucks. I wanted to get the non-waterproof version because I'm not a fan of waterproof mascara. But I'm excited to try this out. Definitely do a Mascara Monday episode and let you guys know how this is. It doesn't say on here how much everything costs, but I know that mascara was right around like $7 or $8. So right there, you've already paid for your box. Next thing in the box is cotton rounds, 2 cotton rounds from the Up and Up brand, which is the Target brand. You can pair this with the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. You just get a little sample size of this. I mean, this is actually, this is like a deluxe sample size, I would say. 1.05 fluid ounces. I've actually never tried this. I have like a couple of bottles of this and I've actually never tried it. So I'm gonna definitely try it now. I have some eyelashes from Eylure. These are the accents. So I'm assuming you just use these on like the outer corners of your eyes because they're super tiny. And I know for a fact that these are like $6 or $7. So you're definitely getting your money's worth with this box. Next is a perfume sample from Good Chemistry. This is Queen Bee. It says perfume with essential oils, vibrant and bold with a touch of sass. This smells like blackcurrant, peony, and amber. All right, let's smell this little guy. Ooh, that just smells like alcohol. Hold on. Ooh, I like that. That smells really good. I've never heard of this brand before, Good Chemistry. That smells really good. What's in it again? Blackcurrant, peony, and amber. That smells really good. That is probably a perfume I would buy. Next we have some toothpaste. We all need toothpaste, right? Yeah. This is the Colgate Optic White Express toothpaste. This is definitely bigger than travel size. This is a decent size. Toothpaste is like $3 to $5 depending on the brand. So again, totally worth it. And then the last thing, I'm excited for this. This is from Sleek Makeup. This is the Major Matte Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in the color Daydreamer. Hold on, let me take the plastic off. So that's what that looks like. It's pretty. I will definitely wear that color. I didn't know they sold Sleek at Target. They don't sell Sleek at my Target, I don't think. That's everything that was in my box. I think it's totally worth $7. I will definitely use the toothpaste. I'm excited for this lip color. The perfume smells really good, and it's probably gonna make me want to buy the full size, and the full size is probably a little expensive. I already have a bunch of these bottles, but I guess this is just more incentive to actually try it out, and it comes with the cotton rounds, so that's helpful. These eyelashes, I usually don't wear eyelashes like this. I usually wear full strips, but I'll definitely try these out. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And then like I said, the mascara, I was gonna purchase this on my own, but saw it was in the box and I was like, I'll just get it in the box. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are interested in purchasing this box, I will have a link down below, but make sure you hurry up and do it because like I said, this box sells out quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.